Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Asi, and today's topic is Halloween plants. Some six scary plants, and also together with exam 3 review. Okay, so first, the 6 Halloween plants. Plant number 1, corpse flower, which is Titan arum, which is the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world, but at the same time, largest compound flower, which is again called corpse flower. Number 2, hawthorn, which is Cradiaceous species, SP, one of the most prickly of plants. I like some other plants like juniper or common holly. Plant number 3, ghost plant, Monotropa inflora, which is a parasite plant, sucks on fungi connected to this host plant. Number 4, which is called witchweed, which is Striga sp, which is another parasite plant, occurs naturally in parts of Asia, Africa, and Australia. Plant number 5 is bat flower, which is Taka centurieri. Again, it's bat-shaped, 12 inches across, and has whiskers, and sometimes it's called whiskers plant, cat whiskers plant. And plant number 6 is pumpkin, which is Cucurbita pepo, which is really botanically a fruit, domesticated 9,000 years ago. The giant pumpkin you see in this picture, which can grow 50 pounds a day, and the record is 2,323 pounds, which earn the price of $2,000. So these are the 6 Halloween plants that which we cover in this review. So we have 3 chapters. Chapter 12, which is systematics, which is combo of taxonomy and phylogenetics. As you know, which phylogenetic part shows the relationship between different taxons. Taxonomy classifies and names plants, and you see here on this left side the scientist that actually considered father of taxonomy. He actually came up with the binomial name systems, and he authored 180 works, including classification of plants, diseases. He wrote 2 books. So enormous amount of work on today's taxonomy. So here is one plant. Maize are one of our most important economical plant. You can see the classification of it from species, Zea maize, genus Zea, family Poaceae, class Monocots, and kingdom Plantae. So we use this cladogram system, this straight line going up from left to right, and the markers you see here at the bottom, and then any taxons coming out from here on the right side of the marker, which includes that specific marker, right? Chapter 19 is Angiosperms, which is flowering plants, which really specializes on flowers, fruits, and seeds. Seeds we've seen in another chapter, but flowers and fruits are really unique to this chapter. Parts of flower, SPSC, here you need to be familiar with. Fruits come from the ovary part of this flower, that you need to be familiar with. The different types of fruits, and the seeds, right? So monocot, eudicot, monocot seeds, and parts of the seeds. What is an imperfect flower? What is perfect flower? What is receptacle? What is carpel? What is dioecious, which is very unique? What is monoecious? Make sure in a life cycle, the soybean life cycle at the end of chapter 19. Make sure get familiar with that life cycle, right? The next chapter is 26. This is the secondary growth of stem specifically. We know it from the 3 rings or annual rings. Every year they add a new year. We can actually study these rings, and we can get an idea about what happened that specific year. As you see, there are different sizes, and they tell us something they record that specific year. We have plants that they live more than 4,700 years. They have obviously 4,700 years plus annual rings like these guys here. But secondary growth is more than just any rings. There is bark. There is which is phloem in it. There are meristems, like lateral meristems. They actually create these, and there are fusiform and ray initials. There's cork cambium. There is vascular cambium. There is lenticels, like these tiny holes here you see, and there is wood, which is again this part of this secondary growth. So make sure that you do the readings in these 3 chapters in the book. Take notes. Look at your slides. Review and repeat again, and then pay attention to these keywords that we cover here in this video. Okay, and also halloween plants here, 6 halloween plants they covered in this video. But good luck. Thanks for watching, and good luck again in your coming exam.